I'm reborn in my true form. Everything is being restored and relearned. I'm aware and alarmed. My breath is one with the Creator. My heart is open, expressing the Savior. My words can save you, giving life and showing how to live. I am the chosen one. When doing good for others, I get an inner lift that takes me higher until there's nowhere else to go. I continue to grow until this body is inspired. I'm inspired to be free in every way. God is the way to life and light. I shine mine until it blinds the outer layer of evil sights. I walk my path because I have no fright. I allow it to penetrate me and not fight because I know my power within. It flows with the wind and guides me to my master end of who I am. I'm reborn from the closed cocoon. From my lines, the stars, sun, and moon, playing my part. I am reborn. I'm reborn. Reborn. Yeah. Yeah.
Major setback for a comeback. Tell my old self ain't no coming back. God's love fill me up, I never lack. I attract abundance, I don't chase sex. Now chase that. I keep moving forward, I never look back. Doing the wrong thing was making me mad. Doing the wrong thing made my mama sad. I almost crashed, 4 all the way down to the gas, 2 on the dash. What I had in my hands, but I couldn't grasp. I was ready, take it all with a mask. I was moving too fast, God said go ahead and fast. Those things not gonna last. All them things not gonna last. I won the fame, the cars, the clothes, and plus the cash. First year brawling in the pros, I made 100 cash. Those things didn't last. Trusting God, that's the bad. 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 Keep coming, I'm attracting these hundreds. My thumbs keep thumbing, I feel it stunch. I play no games, I do no stunning. I'm rolling this dice like it's a munch. I ain't eating days, can't feel my stomach. I'm coming for everything, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm leaving with something, I can't be no dummy. Yeah, I try everything, I need no run. Off the line, I'm going, I'm gunning. In the field, I'ma get to my goal like I'm punting. I'ma shine like a star in the sun and sun. Don't get in my way or ahead, I'm done. I turn the din and some in the dark and the light. Now I got my wealth right, open my eyes. With the help of the Most High, protecting me always on my side. I don't need no gun up on my side. Any day for me, I know he'll slide. This power within, I'ma up on fire. Gon' feel this heat, gon' feel this fire. Been a dead to life by my inner Christ. I'm a soldier in the field, had to earn my stripes. For the good of God, I'ma strike. Build tree of evil in the world, one pipe. Trust God like no hands on a bike. Keep on rising up in the heights. Traveling the world, I'm taking these flights. Abundance keep coming in the day and the night. Cause I was chosen in this life to be the light. Keep coming, I'm attracting these hundreds. My thumbs keep thumbing, I feel it stunch. I play no games, I do no stunning. I'm rolling this dice like it's a munch. I ain't eating days, can't feel my stomach. I'm coming for everything, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm leaving with something, I can't be no dummy. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. At the end of the day, you only have us and the Creator. I sit at the soul with my soul of the Creator. Disappointed at the world, the all the maker. If I was the all, I would've been cremature. But the Most High makes no mistakes, yeah. so I rise to station. I'm not your savior, but these words can save ya. Trials and tribulations can make you or break ya. I keep some holy water in my shaker, in case some demons on this day I have to shake up. My old ways I had to break up, with God I had to make up. I love her beauty, natural and really no makeup. Grounded in the womb of a soul, we make real love. It's deep inside, you can't find it above. You can't find it in love, something you can't touch. The feelings make me blush, I'm patient with it, I don't rush. Toxins out my environment, instantly get flushed. Problems don't get crushed, waiting on God I must and God I trust. Trust the plan, I don't fuss. Spreading full speed with the sounds of us. At the end of the day, we only have us or you. Buzz out my shell of the old layer, then I find my truth. This is something I have to do, I have to grow. Cock it back, that's a boat. Cock it back above the goat. Feel like Vince Carter, hold on with the elbow. At the end of my journey, bowed, then the curtains closed. Wow, whoa.